and welcome to another video from the Motor Shed. Now yes, I know it's been a while, but as YouTube isn't my full-time gig, work and life have been a bit busier than normal. However, this hasn't meant I stopped filming as I go. The Metro is on the road. It flew through its MOT without any advisories, which was great news. I needed to change a tyre, pump up the suspension.
Yeah, it's going 315.
We're getting to 500 psi and then it's passing the valve.
But otherwise, a truly original gem and a testament to its previous owner. Now, since the last video, I've been for a little visit to Rimmer Bros near Lincoln, a haven of original Rover parts, genuine clips, trims and items you might need to finish your Rover project. I'll drop a link to them in the description below. I picked up some bits I needed, including a genuine Metro key, thermostatic radiator switch and some under dash clips as well as an aerial. I also ordered some wheel trims on eBay to complete the set. Now let's behold this wonderful Metro, and then I'll take it for a drive.
Oh, I do love this Metro. So, the Metro has passed its MOT, and with no advisories. Now, I didn't expect there to be any advisories. I mean, just how clean this thing is. The effort I've put into cleaning this Metro, well worth it. Yeah, I think it looks great. I think it looks absolutely amazing. All the electrics work, you know, all the lights work on the dashboard. The radio, admittedly, it lights up, no sound comes out, but you know, that's probably not a bad thing. Yeah, it's honestly, I mean, as you can see, failing light. Trying to find the time to, you know, to get these videos done. Trying to find the time around work to, you know, make sure that there's something to put out. Right, so there was a few things I needed to do for the MOT. Now, not necessarily MOT worthy. However, I did notice that because one of the tyres had been flat for some time, it sort of perished and cracked away on one side. So I needed to put the spare tyre on to get it through its MOT. But I did notice that the fan wasn't activating. Now this fan did activate when I first got the Metro. So I had a little bit of investigation on the Rover Facebook forums, etc. A little bit of investigation about that. And I found out that there's actually a thermostatic fan activation switch. Now that thermostatic fan activation switch sits in the side of the radiator, and it was that switch that had sort of failed sending the signal. How do we test that? Well, we took the car up to temperature, and then used a multimeter into the fan, you know, the plug on the fan, but you can also do it on the switch, looking for changing resistance, and yeah, we weren't getting anything. So we knew that was the culprit, ordered one of those, yeah, works a treat, fan comes on when it's supposed to, temperature, you know, maintains the same. At the same time, I did flush all the coolant through, which, you know, it was very much needed. But yeah, other than that, it's, you know, the service, you know, a bit of jobs I've done to it, absolutely chuffed to bits. Put half a tank of petrol in it and I've burned through it already today. I absolutely love driving it around. You know, you're not driving it fast, just steady away. Yeah, it's brilliant, it's great. It's surprisingly comfortable, and I'm 6'4". I mean, even my bobble, this is the test, my bobble does not. It interferes a little bit with the roof. This vehicle wasn't built with people of my height in mind, but no, absolutely brilliant. 13,740 miles on the clock. Everything works. We've got hot coming out the top, hot coming out the bottom, cold in the middle. Yeah, really happy. Temperature gauge is great, and the cigarette lighter works. Although I don't want that on right now because it will probably pop out and I will end up with a burnt leg. I've really enjoyed making this little mini series with the Metro. I've really enjoyed being a part of its history. I've really enjoyed driving it. I've really enjoyed cleaning it, polishing it, servicing it. You know, it's been an absolute treat. This is why I do this sort of stuff. You know, I love cars, and I love the history and a bit of background. Unfortunately, I didn't get much history with this car, but you know, you start to think to yourself, you know, where was it parked? Who had it? How much did they care? And I'm just so happy that this little thing's, and all being well, it'll be on the road for many more years to come. Yeah, so that's it really. Thank you very much for watching. You know, if you enjoyed this little video series on the Metro, there are plenty more to come. You know, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I just do this, you know, as a bit of a hobby, sort of to allow my creative juices to flow. I don't really like the word juices. What else can I say? Yeah, just thank you. Please subscribe, please like the video. You know, we enjoy this sort of stuff. Many more cars and sort of things that are coming along, sort of little projects that we've got sort of planned for the future, challenges, all sorts of stuff. So yeah, no, thank you very much. Oh, I'm hungry.